Thunderstorm Watch number 196, effective until 3 o'clock a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Henry, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Blake, Lee, Livingston, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Willand, Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio.